And we're live. Hello, my name is Saint Post, and as you saw in the intro, today we're making a music producer Reels/TikTok. That's very clean, nothing special, but it gets the job done. So first things first, I recommend that you use this plugin here called OBS Studios. This is amazing for capturing your screen and your microphone and all that. And to get the sound from your DAW into OBS, you can either use this plugin here called Restream, or you could use your original audio driver card for your computer. But if you use ASIO or ASIO for all, then Restream is what you should use. You just name your identifier here, mine is Ableton. That then goes into this audio input here. As you can see in the filters, Restream here. And I just have my identifier as Ableton here as well. So with that, I think you should record your video and also your screen with audio. If you want to talk before your video, that's fine. I use this SM7B microphone here. You can use your iPhone camera and iPhone microphone, of course. Once you've done that, you should have two clips here, one from your camera and one from your DAW. Once you have that, just drag everything in. And to get that vertical kind of format for Reels and TikToks, you should change your sequence settings to 1080 by 1920. And there you have your TikTok format. To very simply synchronize all of these clips, just highlight them all and click synchronize. And audio track channel mix down. Okay. That made everything sync up. So now all we have to do is to make some cuts. So I start to talk here. So let's cut everything up there. Drag everything this way. This is how to make Reels. Lower up my voice. This is how to make Reels as a music producer. Cut right after I'm done talking because we don't need to hear that. Then we go straight into the song. So very simple cuts here. This shouldn't take long at all. Just kind of make sure everything flows as good and as well as you would want something to flow. Don't make it too long, don't make it too short. So now we have, what do we have? This is how to make Reels as a music producer. Every time you try to hold me down. So the first sequence here, I want my face, my whole face to be inside of the screen. We're getting very close here, but that's okay. Something like that. This is how to make Reels as a music producer. After that sequence, I wanted to cut into having my DAW on the upside and my camera roll on the lower section of the video. So let's try and do that by dragging up this camera here, position it well. I realized that I have some kind of black stuff here, so we'll just crop that out. Make sure your position is okay. I wanted my camera to be down like that. Maybe crop some out of the top as well. And then go to my DAW video under here. Same thing here, position it. And what you can also do is to move this one so you have the little arrow here from the DAW in the middle. Oh, in the middle like that maybe. Make sure you position it okay, like that. And then you can create a... And then what you can do is to create a time frame here and drag this arrow here down to the very end, like that. And just move this one so you still have this little line in the middle. And that will make it roll with the audio. Every time you try to hold me down, like that. And one pretty cool thing to do here is to go to temporal interpolation, ease it in, Now you should have something that looks more smooth.
This is how to make.
So what do we have now?
This is how to make reels as a music producer.
Every time you try to hold me down, I can't mind somebody. Obviously, you guys could be done here, but if you want to go one step further, you could add some effects like some kind of camera pull on the intro here.
This is how to make reels as a music producer.
Every time you try to hold me. And maybe you would want to have some kind of transcripts or subtitles. So just go to text here, transcribe. And here I have my transcript. So once you have that, you can just click this create caption button here. Then just click on captioning preferences. Maximum length to 7, I think it's good. Minimum duration in seconds to 1.2. Single lines and create captions. Yep. These ones are from the song, so I'll just delete them because I don't want them in here. I only want the producer stuff, my talking here. Then, as you can see, we have a dot here on producer. I don't like that, so I'll just remove that. So now we have our captions down here. Now we can go into properties and change up the settings here just to make it look a little bit more cool. Something like that I think is cool.
This is how to make reels as a music producer.
Every time you... Now you can also mess around with the colors of the text here. You can create them kind of tan. I like them to be kind of tan like that. Shadow. If you want a bigger shadow, just go like that. If you don't want so big, I think that looks kind of nice. You could go one step further here and just highlight all of your captions. Go to graphics and titles, upgrade caption to graphic, and that makes them look like this. Now you can select, or you can just nest these, make them a nest. So now we have my captions here.
This is how to make reels as a music producer.
So now we have upgraded my captions to a graphic, and then I just nested my captions. So now I have this nested sequence here that I can then go into blend mode here on the effect controls and choose the difference button. That makes it look pretty cool.
This is how to make reels as a music producer.
Every time you kind of makes them work with the background a little bit better. And there you have it. I think that's how you create a reel or TikTok as a music producer. You don't have to have this kind of intro talking section here. If you want to, that's fine, but you don't have to. You can also just go with this. And this is how I go about creating short form content or reels and TikToks as a music producer. Super simple, and go out there and create content. You have to create a personal brand, so get to it.